What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I really hope you like this quality, and I really hope my editor can edit this quality. As you know, I've been trying to record with a GoPro Hero 7 and it was on 2K and 4K, two different videos. So it was a really high quality video, but my editor's laptop I think couldn't process it, so you couldn't use it. So GoPro, which is really cool, has a like low resolution quality video too on the cards when you record a video. So we had to use those, which is why some of them were a little crappy, blurry. So, but anyways, today is Christmas for me. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, happy present getting day. One of the presents I got was from my girlfriend's parents, which thank you for the present, thank you, is a new exhaust for the Grom. So it's a, I don't even know what it is. Is that bad? It's a, doesn't even say on the tip. It's a little upsetting. I'll put a picture here of the name or whatever. Anyways, so I got an exhaust for the Grom. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, show you guys what the stock one sounds like, so you have a before and after. And then after that, I'll go over what you gotta take off real quick. Hopefully I can show you everything that needs to come off and I don't find anything else. So first, let's start it up, and then I'll show you that, and then I'll show you the after. So as you can see, it's very quiet. So now let's see what all has to come off, which I think it's only like 3 bolts. First, it's 2 bolts right there. There's one there, and then there's one on the other side. And I think it's just this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. All right guys, so I got the exhaust on, and actually I put on a couple other things too. I originally was just gonna put the exhaust on, but I ended up putting on some mirrors that I got and some flush mount turn signals, which there's another piece that I gotta buy for that too, so that they work properly. Let me give you a quick rundown of how I took it apart, or took the old exhaust off and put the new one on, and then I'll show you the mirrors, what I did for that, and then the turn signals. Here's the new exhaust. It's a anodizing racing exhaust. So pretty much you had this bolt, there's a bolt here, and bolt here, which is underneath the bike. This is the muffler that literally sits all the way underneath the bike. And then 2 nuts here. So you gotta take these 2 out, those 2, and then this one to drop the whole exhaust. Then you just gotta wiggle it off, and it'll drop off. Now this one is a little easier. Granted, I tested it without the muffler. It sounds really cool, which I might do something later. I got an idea. But anyways, so those 2 nuts go back on. The pipe slides up in there, and the nuts go up on top of that flange. And then this is pretty simple. The muffler slides onto the pipe, and then it comes with springs, which actually this company gave you a bunch of like extra pieces in case things break, like these little things right here. They gave you extra ones of those, so if they break you can get them welded back on. They gave you extra springs. They give you a few extra things. So anyways, the muffler slides onto the pipe, and then you take these springs, hook them on these little things and pull it, and that goes on top and bottom, and then that holds the muffler on. Then it comes with this like little clamp thing with the rubber piece, and that goes back into the hole for where the old muffler was. So that's how that goes on. Now the The mirrors I got, they didn't fit perfectly. They actually came with some other things for other bikes, so I had to do a little rigging, but you don't even see it. So these, I took there's like a little piece sticking out. So the bike had this piece, and this piece sat right there with that screw in it. So basically I took that screw out, which was a little difficult. I used an impact to get it out. Took that out, and then there was a hole that the screw went in. And then these they actually, I guess, they come to fit inside of the handlebar, but I couldn't do that, so I had to take that screw and piece off. Just imagine like another piece sitting out like this. I took that off, and what I did actually, I took a nut that I had laying around and put it on this side, because if I tighten this too far down, I can't, my throttle sticks. So I had to space it out, so I put a nut in here, put that in, and then put the screw through and tightened it down. So that's how I did this side and that side. I did it with that side too. So now I got better mirrors. So then after that, I did the blinkers, the flush mount blinkers. Man, that looks so much better than having Dumbo ears out. Makes it a lot cleaner. So these, you literally have a screw that you take out, which sits right there. So you can imagine these right here. So you take this screw out, you actually got to take all of that off. So you got two screws here on each side, and then you got one down here, and you got to kind of, pry it apart, and the whole thing comes off, take the connectors off, and that makes it a little easier. There's a screw, there's a grommet that comes out, and there's a screw that goes into that, which is a little metal bracket that goes onto the inside. So that screw goes into here, so if you can imagine, this sits in there, this is on the outside of the bike, this is on the inside of the bike, it has a little channel for it to fit on the plastic. So that screw fits onto there. So you disconnect the wire from the harness, and then you can pull that through this piece, and then you kind of you push this bracket through like that, which is a little difficult in the bike. Just pull that out, and then you can pull this out, and the whole thing just pretty much falls out. And then these have adhesive on them. This is the little tape that keeps it from sticking to everything. And pretty much you peel this off, line it up on this, stick it on there, stick this onto that, put the wire through, connect the harness, and that's pretty much it. I guess that they don't work like they're supposed to. And what I mean by that is when you turn the turn signals on, they just stay lit. They don't blink like they're supposed to, which there's actually a module I gotta get for that to make them blink. But I think it's because I went from a halogen light to an LED, and LEDs don't draw as much as a halogen light. So I don't think it's giving the computer or whatever controls that, I don't think it's giving it enough power to set that sensor off, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't draw enough to make it blink. So I gotta get a module to make it blink. I'm gonna start the bike up, show you the exhaust, and then that's it. So that's the aftermarket exhaust. It was like 90 bucks off of Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description. I also took the baffle out of it. There's a baffle in it, it's a Allen screw. You just unscrew it, take the baffle out. So if you liked what you saw, if you like Groms, you like motorcycles, you like cars, anything that has a motor, go hit that subscribe button. If you like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up. Have any suggestions? If I did anything wrong, explained anything terribly, have any tips, tricks, anything, comment down below. Don't forget to go follow our Instagram and Twitter accounts. They're in the description down below too. We'll see you next time. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Happy Hanukkah, Happy birthday. Bye. Hopefully I show everything that needs to take. Hopefully goodness, it's been a long day. Ooh, my hair. It's cold. Don't forget to go subscribe.